Well, good morning. And hello to my subscribers here on YouTube, all 97 of you. Uh, Today is Juneteenth. That's something here in America. Uh, don't really care. But it's June 19th, 2024. Uh, Hope everybody's having a blessed day. And it's coming up to my Friday morning or afternoon, and it's really Wednesday morning. I'm ready to go enjoy my weekend, but yeah, more stuff to go from the backyard to the front yard to be put on the pile to be toted off. I don't know about you, but I'm getting awful tired of that stuff. But I'm not rich enough to just pay somebody to do it. Uh, Especially not here in America. Texas, just I'm not rich, not by any means. Well, maybe compared to some Filipinos, but even there, I'm really middle class Filipino. Is what I'm going to make over there. Uh, Over here, I'm making a little better than that, but qualifies as a poor boy here in Texas. Uh, my biggest saving grace is that I'm in Texas, and well, our dollar actually still goes pretty far, and that's a good thing. Uh, but yes, the cost of living is getting harder and harder to live. Uh, my One of my friends said that they're going to raise her uh, rent by 60%. I'm like, ouch. Going from 500 to 800? That's ridiculous. Uh, Apparently, somebody new bought the place and is now, you know, driving the rent up. I don't know why they want to try to push somebody out who's been a good renter and tenant for what 9 or 10 years. But hey, ain't good. Uh, you can't be pushing everybody out into the street because corporations are trying to make money. And yeah, I'm pretty sure the ones that bought it are, they buy them up and do it wholesale, buy hundreds of them at a time. It's a corporation, and it's just jacking the rate and taking extra rooms off the market and letting them stand empty. It's a loss for them. Technically, really, it's a tax write-off. So for a tax write-off, they're throwing all these available houses into, oh yeah, standing still and not being available because they want them off the market so that they can keep the prices high. That's why I'm seriously now. I am so tempted not to sell my house and just keep it as a rental. I don't know. Maybe I should rent it to her. I don't know. Seems crazy to me what's going on. But yeah, the cost of living is not getting any cheaper. Cost of housing is going stupid. And, you know, seriously, need to get back to real money instead of having the bankers print it up every 5 seconds and driving the value down. Now, you want to know what's really crazy? Back when I started actual working, uh, one of the first jobs I had that had taxes took out of it was paying me $3.35 an hour, and I can remember back when I was a child, I was always told, look out for the silver quarters, save them, silver dollars, silver dimes, and nickels, 50-cent pieces. Always save those. Now, if you was living off of the $1.75 that was, minimum wage when I was born, or right about that time, it came out $1.75. That'd be 7 quarters. And if you look at the price of 7 quarters for melt value of a silver quarter, it's more than $20. Yeah, it's you're talking $30 worth of silver in a 7 quarters. Yeah, how's that working out? See, but we could actually be back with real money and making what is today's $30 an hour. Yeah. But hey, we got paper, toilet, dollar bills. Yeah. That's the nightmare of it. We've got the banks are literally printing money and literally turning our dollars into toilet paper. And really, the only real thing about our dollar in value is our belief that it has value. Yeah, all this paper money is just that. Our believing that it has value. Of course, the nightmare of it is when all the people wake up to the reality of it just being toilet paper and they quit taking it, that's when it really gets interesting. I don't know about you, but that's going to be a real nightmare. Because then what do you buy stuff? Oh, I got the hiccups. Then what do you buy stuff with? Silver quarters? There ain't that many of them out there anymore. And what is out there is being held on to because it does have value. Because the intrinsic value of the US dollar is literally the price of the paper it is printed on. How much is paper worth? Not much. But silver and gold have always had value. So, yeah. It's definitely getting interesting looking at the prices of things. And, yeah. I don't even know where to begin on that. I'm just ready to go retire. Go find me a beach to go fishing on. The biggest stress I want to have to deal with is, did I buy enough bait to make it through to 7 to 9 window of AM before it gets too hot to fish? Yeah. I don't want to run out before 7, and I don't want to have bait left over after 9. That perfect little window. That's my stress load. Did I not buy enough? Oh no, I got to leave the beach early. Did I buy too much? Oh man, I might have to stay out here in the heat casting bait. Yeah, you can tell I'm overloaded on stress there. I don't know. How much is a bit of bait to go fishing with at the market? I don't know. And do they actually sell bait at the market, or do you have to buy it out at the beach or something? I don't know. I'll have to figure that out. Of course, I'm going to have to find me a surf rod. I might be able to bring a couple reels with me, but I don't think the rods are going to be able to fit in the suitcase. So, yeah. Yeah, they won't fit. A 10 or a 12-foot surf rod just don't break down and, go into a 28-inch suitcase or whatever it is. So, it is what it is. Anyway, that is one of the things I'm wanting to do is get rid of my reel or rods and make sure my reels are still worth bringing with me. I don't know. Most of them look like they would be, though. I don't know. They've been around for a long time. Of course, I've got some tackle, lures and such. I don't know. So again, this is all these things I need to actually try to look into and, try to decide, is it worth the value of the weight to bring it over to the Philippines for the reels? Or should I just buy a new one over there? I don't know. I guess, but is Lazada, is that what it is? Lazada or Shopify or Shopee, whatever it is, do they sell rods and reels? I probably should go look that up. Find out what it'll cost to get a rod and a reel. Yeah, I'm ready to go fishing. And like I say, just find a spot halfway up a mountain or something with a little bit of land to make a garden, close enough to a beach where I can go fishing when I want to. Half hour, 2 hours to the beach. I'm okay with that. Get up the side of a hill and enjoy some time up on a mountain, getting to drink coffee and watch the sunrise or sunset. And then the next day, go watch the sunset and the sunrise fishing on a beach. I could deal with that. I got no real desires to be stressed out anymore. There's just too many things in the world that are just too stressful, and I don't need them. Past the point of, did I buy enough bait? That's my question. Seems pretty good to me. Nice little simple life. Anyway,